Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanjana. Bouquets are the thing of the past. Roses in the box is a new way to give flowers. Their pictures are all over Instagram and we are loving them. I thought why to buy it when I can make it myself. Valentine Day is coming and I don't think there's a better way to make your loved one feel special. So let's begin.
For this you would need a box, some floral foam, roses, pair of scissors, kitchen knife, ribbon, a plastic sheet and a tape. So start with placing the plastic sheet inside the box and then cut the extra part. This sheet will protect the box from water. Now take the floral foam, cut it according to the size of the box and put it inside. Floral foam can retain a lot of water which will help to keep the flowers fresh. So just sprinkle some water over it. Now cut the flower according to the length of the box and start inserting it into the foam from the outer edge. You can also use this box for carrying ring during occasion of ring ceremony or maybe while just proposing someone. To make the roses gift box, continue inserting the flowers. Now with the ribbon, make loops like this and then secure it with a tape or a stapler. Now decorate this box with the ribbon. You can also keep a letter or a note inside the box like this. So now the roses box is ready to be gifted.
So you can give this on birthdays, anniversaries, marriage proposals, marriage presents, baby showers or on any occasion. This is not very expensive and can be made in no time. This is very beautiful and a thing of luxury, so you should definitely try this. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching it. Subscribe for more such videos and you'll get to hear from me soon. Bye bye.